Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Sahitur and Travel, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Alif Ananto. For the short call, you call me just Alif, and our driver name is Mr. Anto. For the short call him just Anto. And our co-driver name is Dedi. Some information about airport. The story of Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. The terminal development of Soekarno-Hatta International Airport at Terminal A was built starting on December 1060 until 5 years and was opened in 5 July 1065 and afterward the second terminal was opened 11 May 1092. It was built by Airport de Paris consultants from France. Today, most flights from all of the world use the Soekarno-Hatta as the international airport. Was carried out the combining modern architecture with the touch of Indonesia culture in order to characterize the products of culture touch the and creation of the nation. The typical longhouse of Kalimantan example characterizes the identity of past one terminal will terminal and its different ornament of various parts of Indonesia. In general, the building in Soekarno-Hatta International are usually surrounded by the gardens. These gardens atmosphere is already felt as soon as we enter the of Indonesia, nature and people. Yang 2. The story of Sudiat Haikwai. 3. General information about Indonesia country. Yang 4. The Soekarno-Hatta International Airport activities are transport in and transport out are A. Guide will pick up the goods from the airport to the hotel. The Soekarno-Hatta International Airport divided 3 into terminals are 1. Terminal 1 special for domestic flight and divided into 3 areas are Terminal 1 A. Lion Air, Wing Air, etc. Terminal 1B Lion Air to Denpasar. Terminal 1C Citylink to some province express Bali charter flight. 2. Terminal 2 for international and Garuda domestic into 3 area are Terminal 2D international flight as well as SQ, JAL, China Airlines, Royal Brunei Airlines. Terminal 2E Sriwijaya Air Asia. Terminal 2F charter flight. Yang 3 Terminal 3 Garuda Domestic, Garuda International. And the history Jakarta City began from the small port in the north of Ciliwung River, which is called Sunda Kelapa, the land planted coconut trees. The port was under control by Pajajaran Kingdom at 12th century. It was the famous port and has been known by foreign traders such as Arabian, China, Spain, and even Europe. On 22 June 1527, the port was defeated by Sultan Fatailah, which on the time ruled the kingdom of Demak, and the name was changed to be Jayakarta. Sometimes the traders call it Jakarta. On 30 May 1690, This sport was conquered by Dutch FOC and changed the names to be Batavia, announced officially by the first General Governor Jan Pieter Jonkun. The name of Batavia derived from Batavia Rhine, the name of the origin ancestor of Dutch. The name firstly introduced without expressly Van Roy, one of the Dutch soldiers and everybody of SC, on 10 December 1942. Batavia was changed by Jakarta, Japanese with some sense called Jakarta, the name of Fort Batavia based and the next on Augustus 1955. Jakarta officially used by the government Indonesia as a capital of the national. Jakarta also divided to be 5 municipalities, which is headed by the city mayor. There are East Jakarta, West Jakarta, South Jakarta, North Jakarta, and Central Jakarta. Jakarta City has 6 functions as well as Jakarta as capital city of the Republic Indonesia, Jakarta as the central of government activities, Jakarta as the proclamation city, Jakarta as the central of international business, Jakarta as the center of industry, Jakarta is the center of art and culture. Well, ladies and gentlemen, since 1975, Jakarta City had changed to be the metropolitan city with modern facilities and high buildings at the center of international business center. Because the population in Jakarta 12 million people, so there are always traffic jam all the time. 3-4 Jakarta as synonym is Jakarta never sleep city. I like gentlemen soal informasi about Jakarta City passenger in this tour. And I would like to inform you about Indonesia in general. Indonesia is divided into 34 provinces from Sabang to Merauke with 628 ethnic groups with different language. As the largest archipelagic country in the world, Indonesia is blessed with so many different people, culture, custom, tradition, artwork, food, animal, plant, landscape, and everything that made it almost like 100 or even 200 countries melted beautifully into one. Situated at the heart of the world's precious coral triangle and along the Ring of Fire, Indonesia countless wonder streets from mountain tops all the way to bottom of its fortress. Now we are passing off Sudiatmo. Haikwai, this street was built on 1980, special for connecting to the airport. The Troll Road is named from Indonesia civil engineering. Now in front of you is Welcome. Starts its wall built on 1962. This landmark of the pitch to bronze status of a man and a woman waving in a welcoming gesture. Woman all of a flower bouquet in her love, and the original contraction of the monument was initiated because President Soekarno wanted to beautify the city in preparation for the Asian Games. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's our information about Jakarta City. Please enjoy your holiday, and we hope you are enjoy this tour. Thank you.